Hey, what's up guys? This is Brett down here at Orlando Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2020 Road Glide Special. Now you're going to come standard with the 114 Milwaukee 8 motor. It's got that beautiful blacked out finish, really pops against that Billiard red paint set. This bike in particular has a full stage 1 exhaust with the Reinhardt's 2-into-2. Gives a lot of power. Nice touch on that 114 motor. It's going to come standard. Not to mention you have a Kahuna collection set on handlebars, grips, floorboards, the whole nine. I mean, it gives it a great look. You also have a full LED system all around, up on the headlight and the rear tail lights as well. Lots of extra storage compartments just to put your stuff, on those longer trips, that sort of deal. This particular bike's also going to come with this beautiful custom seat. You get some great stitching on there, and that backrest for those long rides gives you all that lumbar support you're going to need. It's also going to come standard with your navigation built in on board with your boom audio system. Great sound, lots of features there as well. Hey guys, this is Brett at Orlando Harley-Davidson I-4 location. Come see us for a test ride as soon as possible. This is a beautiful bike. You're going to love it. It's got a lot of get up and go behind it, and love to get you down here and take it out.